Look at the juices, look at the juices. So check it out. Today we're gonna do something a little different. We have a rump roast, right? And you know, the bottom round rump roast that people call it. Well, check this out. We're gonna do something different with the rump roast today. Let me show you. We're gonna take this rump roast and see how there's no slow cooker or anything around here, because we're not gonna do slow cooking today. We're gonna take this rump roast, we're gonna put it in here, and we're gonna smoke the heck out of it, and hopefully it tastes good. All right, so this is USDA choice. It was $12.85 at my local commissary, military commissary, 4 pounds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some cold water going. We're gonna drain this. We're gonna rinse it. Keep it simple. Ah, yes. Gonna rinse that bad boy. Then we're gonna dry it off, pat dry. Now we got some fat cap here. We're gonna leave this fat cap on here. So we're not gonna trim it. We're not gonna do anything with that. What we're gonna do is pat this dry a little bit. Then we're gonna put it in this pan right here. Boom. Do some olive oil on here, on all the sides. Fat cap side too. Don't forget the fat cap side. All right. So look, a little olive oil. Let that sit on there for a minute. Then we're gonna do some Modos. Modos, I mean, you guys know about the, oh, you don't know about the Modos. Well, I can't tell you. This is a secret, man. This is just something that I make, and it makes fantastic rub. But I can't tell you what's in it because sometimes I forget what's in it, and I don't want to tell you wrong. But we're gonna throw some Modos on here. Get that on all sides right there. Kind of rub it in a little bit. Hey, here we go. Can never have too much. Some of it's gonna cook off. So we get this side too. Now we're gonna let this sweat. Let it sweat for a little bit. And then we're gonna put it on the grill. Now, we're gonna finish it off with some smoked paprika for that color. Yeah. Throw some color on here. And it's smoky too. Hella smoky. Boom. Leave that just like that. All right, we're done prep. Ah, smoke. I love smoke. Let me get out here. Oh shit, smoke. All right. This is what we're gonna do. 250 degrees until we get this internal temperature to 135. That's gonna be like a medium, medium. And we want it to be a medium. We don't want it to be beyond that, right? It's gonna come up a little bit as it rests too. So we're gonna go ahead and, woo, damn, smoke. That's what we need, baby. Look at that smoke. Big smoke, okay? Goes in here right in the middle. We'll get the meat probe. Now what we're gonna do with the meat probe is we're gonna put it in the fattest part. Right in the middle. Boom, right there. We want the internal temperature. I'm dying of smoke inhalation. Close this bad boy. All right. Now that I'm not dead, internal temperature 135 degrees. That's what we want. But we're gonna cook this at 250. So let's go ahead and get the 250 real quick. 250. Some people will say that pellet grills don't put out a lot of smoke, and there's a lot of smoke coming out of this one. You know why? I got the right pellets, baby. I got charcoal blend pellets, and they will smoke your life away. We're right at, sorry, false alarm. That did say 135, and now it says 134, so I'll just go back in the house and make this video again later. Look at this, 135 again, for the first time for you guys so you can see it. But what we're gonna do is go ahead and open this up. Still smoking, baby, still smoking. Get it in the house and let it rest. Oh, baby. Yeah, let me get that. Let it rest 20 minutes. Let some of the moisture absorb into the meat, and then we'll get to cutting and eating because I'm hungry, man. It's like, I don't know, almost 10 o'clock at night. And this took about 4.5 hours. So it's been a full 20 minutes now. and we have this roast, this bottom round is about to come open, and wait, hold on, intermission, hold on. We're taking a tequila break, my friends. I've been busy with this thing for like 4 hours. Man, I don't have time. Not sponsored by 1800, but kind of 1800-ish sponsorship by myself. Whatever that means. To the head, my friends. Ah, that was only a half shot. We're only gonna do half shot now because we got work to do. All right, let's get into it. Woo, look at that bad boy. All right, look at it. Got a nice crust on the outside. Super smoky, super smoky. So let's go ahead and move this over. Wait, you guys want to see it? Check it out, check it out. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna plop it down right here. Look at the juices though. Yeah, I love them. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. See, we got our grain going this way. So grab my knife. We got our grain going this way, so we need to cut this way. Is that what you want to do? Or do you want to go in right here? Should we just go in right here? Nah, we're gonna go right in here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Woo. Ooh, let's get it. Ah, look at that. Look at that, my friends. Look at that. That is fantastic. Let me go ahead and get you guys a look at that. Woo-wee. That's perfect. This is exactly what we want. All right? It's exactly what we want. Nice and juicy. So what we want to do is we want to slice real thin slices. Right? That's what we want. Make this like a sandwich. Real thin slices, like we're gonna make a sandwich with it. All right? Now, it's nice and juicy, nice and tender. Look at that. So we're just gonna take some of this piece right here. Nice floppy piece. Look at the juices, look at the juices. Wow. That's fucking fantastic. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Boy, I tell you what, taking a bottom round and doing that, that is lights out. Pardon my French or whatever you want to call it. That's fucking good, okay? Hold up. I got these other little scraps right here. Shit. Why is there nobody else here to taste this? It's fantastic. Man, I need a sandwich. I don't even have bread. I don't even have bread for a sandwich. All right. Well, anyway, that's what we got, man. That's how it came out. I mean, it's really worth eating. It's worth doing. I mean, this is what it looks like. We got a little pool going on down here, a little gush. But this is fantastic. Hey, great for lunch meat, great for anything that you think. This is awesome. Now, even what you could do if you wanted to, was you could actually use one of these and slice it up real thin for like lunch meat. And because this is already smoked, it has an amazing smoked flavor, you could put this in a slow cooker and use that flavor. And you could use this juice and this in a slow cooker. Oh my fucking God. Break this down with the smoke flavor. It would be amazing. It would be like a whole nother meal. So you take this, put it in the freezer, save the juice, or you can just put it in the refrigerator and slow cook this shit tomorrow, and it'll be great. But I gotta go. I'm hungry. I gotta eat this right now, man. I don't have time to talk anymore. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like, subscribe, share, do all of those things. But I'll see you on the next one. I'm hungry. I gotta go. Bye.